Hi there, my name is Julie Schellenberg, Program Manager with PACE. I really enjoy my work with students, and I often think the experience of studying at PACE is a lot like taking a road trip across the Canadian prairies. And who doesn't love a great road trip? I have 5 pro tips I hope you'll consider to make your experience at PACE really unforgettable. Number 1, keep your destination in mind. When the going gets tough, as it sometimes can, remember why you embarked on this journey. Keeping your motivation in focus will fuel your drive towards success. Number 2, pull over for roadside assistance. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Whether it's an academic struggle or a personal challenge, there's a support system at PACE ready to lend a hand. Number 3, don't take unnecessary detours. Stay true to your priorities and focus on your own lane. While being a supportive classmate is truly commendable, remember that your journey is unique to you. 4, don't get bogged down by poor road conditions. Negativity can be a real distraction. Surround yourself with resilient and positive people and let them propel you forward. 5, enjoy the ride. While excelling in your program is important, don't forget to savor the experience. Build those connections, make those memories, and embrace the camaraderie at PACE. After all, it's not just about reaching the destination, but enjoying the journey along the way. Thanks so much for listening.